What's up, Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. I wanted to show you guys a new project that we have in the works. It's called Project Lulla-BYE right here. This is owned by Mike Cochran, our operations manager at Palm Beach Dyno. What makes this project special is it's going to feature the new twin turbo kit from Hellion, which is a sleeper kit. See some of the parts right here. We'll go over a couple of the details here in a minute. The goal for this project is, street sleeper, which is the goal of the kit. It features low mount turbos, a hidden charge pipe in the airbox deal. This kit right here is right off of John Uris' own personal car, the development car. They built it on his 17. We did the remote tuning on it, and right now, while the kit's in production for all the customers waiting on it, he went ahead and pulled that kit off of that car to send to us. We're going to be doing all the tuning. When you buy the kit through Hellion, through us, whichever, it's going to feature Palm Beach Dyno tuning. So let's go over a couple things about the kit. Like I said, it's a low mount kit. It's available with lots of different turbos, and that's the key point, lots of different turbos. Some of the other low mount kits, or a lot of the other low mount kits, or other turbo kits in general, are using the V-band turbos, which there's some advantages to that. Me personally, I prefer a T4, and that's what Hellion went and did on this setup. This goes on the I believe this is the driver size setup. This hooks right up to the factory manifold. They will be offering a race manifold for those guys that really want to push the limits, but honestly, for most setups, you're not going to need it. This is a great flowing setup, and like I said, T4, so that really opens up your choices on turbos. The next question on a low mount kit that everybody brings up is the oiling system. In this case, Hellion has come up with a bulletproof setup that I don't believe anybody's using. It's a mechanical scavenging pump, dry sump basically for your turbos. It has a collection can, a dry sump pump that runs off the crank. It's a really trick setup. I'm not going to show you any pictures of that right now. We'll go ahead and show you that during the install, but really there's not going to be any issues or worries whatsoever on smoking turbos or oil return. As far as what the kit comes with, it comes with a global turbo. I believe it's a 62 millimeter. We went ahead and went with the upgraded precision turbos, which are right here, the 62-66 turbos, but we're doing the journal bearing. Obviously, ball bearing turbos are great, but we're trying to keep the cost of the kit down. My own personal 2011 Mustang has this exact set of turbos on it, and it made 1,300 horsepower. Since Project Lulla-BYE is a stock motored car, there's really not any need to push it much over 1,000, or at least as we think right now. Who knows what we'll wind up with. We've already got multiple 2018 stock Mustangs out there at the 900 to 1,000 range, so really the sky may be the limit on this 18 setup. So what we're going to do now is package all this stuff up, bring it next door to RareFab. They're going to start on the install, and we'll go ahead and document some of that for you guys so you can follow along with the project. So stay tuned to our Facebook page or our YouTube page, and make sure you subscribe and hit the reminder button to get reminded when we post new videos.